Have you been dreaming of owning a premium apartment in one of the greatest cities in Africa? 15 minutes drive from the airport, close proximity to embassies and international corporates? Then I have good news for you. Located on plot number 13 on Westlands Road, just directly opposite Pride Inn, Emerald Springs has 2 towers and elements of 1 and 2 bedrooms. The beauty of this project is that it's already ongoing, with Block A being on the 20th floor in terms of construction and Block B being on the 15th floor.